Self-concept is how you see yourself. It includes your appearance, personality, abilities, beliefs, strengths, weaknesses, family background, and social roles. Self-concept changes as you grow, learn new things, and have new experiences. For example, Melvin's self-concept changed as he discovered his talents in football and music, even though he was only average in school. Self-esteem is how much you like and value yourself. It is your own opinion of your worth. Even if two people have the same abilities, their self-esteem can be different because of how they view themselves. High self-esteem means you feel good about who you are. Low self-esteem may lead to self-doubt. Self-confidence is believing in yourself and your ability to do things. Confident people are willing to try new things and face challenges. Many factors affect self-concept, self-esteem, and self-confidence, including personality, family, and friends. Positive feedback from friends and family can help you build a positive self-concept. Having a positive self-concept and high self-esteem is important for personal growth. People with high self-esteem are more willing to try new things and improve their relationships. You can develop a positive self-concept by accepting yourself and thinking positively. For example, actor Kaki Sham built his confidence by accepting his weaknesses and trying new things.